Hey there guys, hope you guys are all well. So I'm just going to show you guys a live trade that I'm planning to take here based on the strategy. So as you can see here, we've got the system giving us a signal over here. I'm also getting my confirmations with the candlestick patterns and all of that I look for. Now I'm going to go over to my broker and place the actual trade. I could enter now, but it's a little bit too late, so I'm going to wait for a slight pullback. So I'm going to use a limit order. So I'll take you over to my broker platform where I'll take the trade. Okay, guys. So over in my broker's platform over here, so I'm going to use my risk tool that I teach to use. I'm going to wait for a pullback down to about there. I'm going to put my stop loss. Let me just measure this quickly. I want to go about 12 pips, 10 to 12 pips. So 61750. 61750. I'm going to be targeting we target the swing points over here. Now it's as simple as that, setting those lines, guys. So I've got my entry line that I want to enter at. Here's my stop loss. And here's my target. Then I'm going to go send order. Now you'll see at the bottom here now the order is actually set. I'll remove the lines just by tapping TP and S. Okay, so now I'm going to wait for a pullback to get tagged into the trade, because I teach this pullback method because you don't want to enter now, because you could have entered at the close of this candle, but I prefer to wait for a pullback because the market usually comes back about halfway into these candles. So either you enter immediately as you get your confirmation candle close, or you wait for a pullback if you've missed it. Okay, so let's just see how this trade goes, guys, if we get tagged in. And as I say, I like to go for 1 or 2 good trades per week. Remember, trading is all about time freedom and money freedom. A bit of both, you know. Obviously, we want the money, but we also want the time freedom. So I usually try and get my trading done either Monday or Tuesday with a profitable setup from the system itself. So from this system, I look for just a high quality setup like I'm taking now. Just something like this, like a move like this, or a move like this coming down, or like a move similar to this going up, where I'm looking for 20 to 30 pips, maybe a bit more, and catching that good trade and then calling it quits for the week, you know. So let's see how this goes, guys. So guys, I just got missed on the entry here by like 0.1 of a pip. I prefer to get triggered on the next candle. So this was the confirmation candle, and I prefer to get triggered on the next candle. So ultimately this wasn't really an ideal setup over here, but this is just to show you how easy you find direction in the market with this system. You can see this equated to, I think it was about 16 pips, 15 pips, nearly 17 pips, which is a good chunk of change, you know, for the week if you had got in there. Nice 16, 20 pip trades. If consistently do that, you can make a lot of money. If you guys need to chat to me, links are in the description. Also on my homepage, so there's a Telegram link. Add me on Telegram. Also a Snapchat link if you guys want to chat to me about, you know, me helping you with your trading. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one this week. Live trade example. Alright, cheers guys.